Now in the food chain of the front-wheel drive performance cars in the Indian market, these two behind us are the absolute apex predators. In the sedan category, the Skoda Octavia RS245, and for the hatchbacks, the Mini Cooper S, even in its convertible cute little avatar. Both 2-liter turbocharged petrol engines, both really quick off the line. Who's going to come out on top in a quarter mile? Let's find out. One might be a hotted up executive sedan and the other a cutesy convertible, but these two make quite the pairing on the drag strip. Both the Octavia RS245 and the Mini Cooper S come with a slick 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox and launch control. On paper, the Skoda Octavia RS245 is much more powerful, putting out 245 horsepower and 370 Nm of torque. The Mini, on the other hand, makes a comparatively modest 192 horsepower and 280 Nm of peak torque. But then it's got weight on its side, even with all the extra structural stiffening needed to compensate for the absence of a fixed roof. The Mini lights up the start and scampers off the line like an excited bulldog, surprisingly pulling away from the Skoda. But about midway through the race, horsepower shows who's boss, and the Octavia reels the Mini in and passes it. The RS245 builds its lead and crosses the finish line in a quick 14.242 seconds. The Mini Cooper S convertibles follows over half a second later with a time of 14.776. The Octavia is all set for a generation change, and with this win, it's sure going out on an all-time high.